How you going, guys? It's Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. What I have here is one of the tank bags, and I'm going to show you, this is how it comes to you, and it also comes out in a cardboard box. I'll just show you what actually comes inside your tank bag. I'm going to show you how to install it. We open it up. Inside we have our two straps in the front pocket that go around your frame. So for an example, I won't mess these up. I'll just show you this. So all you do, you can trim these two also to your bike. You can see here they just come with a loop. Actually, I'll just show you here. Why don't I come up to the camera? So they just come with a loop, and all you literally do is feed that up through your frame and then come up through there, and then that will create a loop that will then lock off on your frame, and that'll hold on tight. And the reason why I went for the eye and I didn't go for any funny attachments and all that sort of stuff, it's just that it's so easy and it's just not complicated. Then you can just take it around any bike, and that's pretty much it, right? So that's how you do that part. So there you go. So I've come out, I've fed this through the back of the frame. It doesn't matter, don't get fussy about which way you go around the frame or whatever. Just find a spot that's got my little strap tidy there. You want to pull that up through. Once you've installed this once, easy. So that's that part done, right? And you can trim this to your bike. And then the second part is, this is the part that has the saver on it. Okay, so this goes around underneath your frame, underneath your bike. All you do is slide one side out, leave the other side on, don't take it out. You slide one side out, underneath your frame there somewhere. Don't squash down any electricals or anything like that. Either go behind or in front of them, or you'll work it out. You go underneath, you feed it up through, let's just say that's your frame down here. Then you've got your two clips. So when you unclip your tank bag, that won't fall down. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install the tank bag. And then once you're set up and you've cinched it all down, that's it. It's got a little handle on it. It's got also a hole up in here where you can put a charger cable up through there or whatever you like. So you can see that still sits there. It doesn't fall down. So then I go 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, solid as. That's not moving. So when you stand up and you've got a big heavy tank bag and lots of stuff in it, you end up managing it with your knees. Because then your focus is on your tank bag and your knees juggling it, you know. Especially when you get into adventure riding and sometimes you want to do the tracks a little bit harder. Yeah, you just don't want to have a big bag. So there you go. That's it. It's really that simple. Even when you wash your bike, you can leave it on. That'll be right.